Hello everyone. Today I came with some advanced herb because some people are telling from the group that I should bring some advanced herbs, so I bought this one today. I will give 5 or 6 actually advanced herb. If you wanted to know more, then I am bringing a course about the advanced herb. You can join over there. So I am starting with lobelia. Okay, lobelia's another name is pukeweed. Okay, and its gender is feminine. Planet is Saturn, and element is water. Um, the lobelia's power is it can halt the storm, and it is very good for love. They said, what is its magical use? They said that throw some powdered lobelia at an oncoming storm to stop its approach. Lobelia is also used to attract love. Okay, this is lobelia. Next, I am coming to lovage. Lovage is has another name. The folk name of lovage is Chinese lovage. Okay, or Cornish lovage. Then it has another name also, love root. So what is the gender of the lovage? Lovage actually masculine. Its planet is sun. Element is fire. And its power is love. How can you use the lovage in your magical practice? Actually, place lovage in the bath water. This will make you more attractive. Okay, and such baths are best taken directly before going out to meet a new people. Okay, this is the lovage. Okay, next I am coming to the lucky hand root. Okay, what is lucky hand root? It has the different names also. First name is its folk name is hand of power, hand root, or helping hand. Its gender is feminine, planet is Venus, and element is water. Power is employment, luck, protection, money, and travel. Actually, lucky hand root is an orchid plant. It is the one of the most famous New Orleans magical and botanical herb. So if you are making the charm bag or mojo bag, okay, you can add lucky hand root with this cinnamon powder and your 5-finger grass. Okay, that will be very good charm for your money and prosperity. Okay, next I'll come to the magnolia. The folk name of the magnolia is blue magnolia. Okay, then swamp sassafras. Gender is feminine. Planet is Venus. Element is earth. Power is fidelity. Place some magnolia near or beneath the bed to maintain a faithful relationship. Okay, this is magnolia. Then next I am coming to the mandrake. What is the folk name of the mandrake? Is wild lemon. Okay, or mandrake. This is also called as a mandrake. Okay, then gender is masculine, planet is Mercury, element is fire. Deities are Hecate and Hathor. Power of the mandrake actually lots of powers are there. That is protection, fertility, money, love, health. Everything can do by your mandrake. Okay, and magical use, a whole mandrake root will give the house actually protected and this is very good for fertility and prosperity. Mandrake is also hang on the headboard for protection during the sleep. Okay, if you are carrying the mandrake root, then it's they are saying it attract love, and if you are wearing on your neck, it is they are saying that it is prevents the illness. So this is the mandrake. Then next I will come to the marigold. What is marigold? Actually, marigold is marigold's another name is calendula. This is actually this gender is masculine, planet is sun, element is fire, power is for protection, legal matters, and psychic power. Magical uses, marigold added to the bath water help win the respect or of everyone's you meet. Okay, then if you are carrying the marigold petals or marigold flower in your pocket, marigolds help for justice. While you are in court, that will give you justice. So this is the marigold. I am thinking to do the course about the magic advanced herbs. Okay, so if you wanted to do that course, you can just contact me, or you can tell me in my WhatsApp. Okay, thank you then, and you can please subscribe my channel in YouTube, and I will send all these things to YouTube as well.